take this opportunity to congratulate you for your swearing in to take positions which you have been appointed, and I wish you all the best. This is a responsibility you have voluntarily taken to serve people of Keroka Municipality. This is more voluntary than anything else. And the success of the new municipal, will depend entirely on you. It needs guidance from the chairman and the vice chairman, and the advice from you members. Because everything has to be right. You start with the revenue, it has to increase, it has to double or quadruple. Because without revenue, you cannot expand your programs. Programs will depend on money. Like now, there's a project going on, which is donor funded. It's up to you to make sure that the fund is safeguarded from any abuse, from politics. Therefore, it's up to you, of course, not to interfere with any legal process, but to make sure that whatever is supposed to be done is done in a proper way. And then the program you budget going forward will depend on how much you collect as revenue. Keroka is a rich, but we have been having workers who have been pocketing some money. Make sure you identify them and we remove them immediately. So that you will not have an excuse. End of the day, me, I would not want excuses. Oh, namna hii nilienda hospitali, oh namna kama ulikuwa mgonjwa siku moja, si wengine walikuwa huko. And it depends on what you set as a guideline policy. You have workers who will be working. You'll be presiding. But in the beginning, I want you to be involved directly, seeing what's happening in the parking fee, trading fee, and then other revenue source which has not been identified, and you can see it. Otherwise, I saw that we include in the finance bill. I believe you have arranged for the induction, so that which will make you understand you are wrong, the act under which you operate, so that you don't break the law also. And so long as you are committed, I will give you the support to succeed. Because by succeeding, I will succeed. If you fail me, to be quite unfortunate. To be quite unfortunate, and I know you will succeed. Let me hear Keroka, and I'm seeing it by passing Nyamira. I'm seeing it. Sasa muko na hospitali, tulitoa ile wafanyikazi wote walikuwa huko. Tuliwatoa wote, nasikia wagonjwa sasa ni kama mara 3. So, tuendelee njia hiyo. And everything must operate properly. So I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Asanteni.
Thank you.
Maybe you can give a word.
Your Excellency, protocols observed, I'm very grateful for this opportunity. First of all, for you agreeing to create the new municipality of Keroka. It could have been that it could have gone anywhere, but you chose Keroka as your next municipality, and as the board, we are behind that. We are behind you. All that you have said, We are already on the ground. We've been having meetings with the manager, and we've identified streams and areas which we are supposed to work on, so that we can be able to take our municipality forward. So as a board, we are ready and willing to be a municipality that will be benchmarked by other municipalities. It's an honor for you to give us that. But we are already on the ground. Your support from the CEC and the other officers will be able. We know political goodwill is also required. So we need all that as a new municipality.